Is your Zoho mail showing the wrong name? Fix it in under 2 minutes with this simple guide. I'll walk you through the exact steps to update your display name, including the verification process. Start by clicking on your profile icon in the upper right corner. Then, from the drop-down, select My Account. Now, click the Edit button next to your current display name. Type in your preferred display name in the text field. Once you're happy with it, click Save. You'll see a message asking you to verify yourself. Click on Click here to verify yourself. Then, click Send Code to receive a one-time password. Check your email or phone for the code, then click the box to enter it. Type in the OTP you received. Now, click Verify to confirm. Finally, click Save again. You've successfully changed your display name. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.